In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and utilize templates in Wix to streamline your website design process. First things first, let's open the Wix Editor or Studio in the Google Chrome browser. Chrome is not only fast and reliable, but it also tends to work seamlessly with Wix, helping you avoid any unnecessary tech hiccups along the way. Once you're in the editor or studio, let your creative juices flow. Design your website layout, styles, and elements just the way you envision. This is your chance to determine your site's structure, whether it's a sleek and modern look or something a bit more classic. Consider how you want users to navigate your site. Play around with menus, buttons, headings, and text styles. It's all about what feels right for your brand and message. Now, if you've worked on a layout that you're particularly pleased with and think you might want to replicate in the future, it's time to save this as a template if you have that option available. Some versions of Wix allow you to save your entire site design as a template, offering you a nifty shortcut for future projects. If the direct template saving isn't an option, you can easily duplicate your site. This way, you have a reusable version of your original with all its components ready to go, saving you from starting from scratch each time. After you've safely saved or duplicated your masterpiece, consider exporting your site's design assets if you think you might need them. These assets include images, graphics, fonts, or any other unique visual components that are not already within the Wix platform. Having them readily accessible means you can weave your singular style across multiple projects seamlessly. When it comes time to create new sites, use your custom template. Imagine the possibilities as you rapidly build out website after website with ease, maintaining consistent quality and design structure. This approach not only saves time, but ensures a professional look every time you need to spin up a new project. Remember, these templates are there to enhance efficiency, allowing your creativity and hard work to be leveraged repeatedly. Whether you're designing for personal use or working on a larger project with multiple sites, mastering the use of templates in Wix can be a game changer. Embrace this effective approach to web design, and you'll find yourself being far more productive without compromising on quality. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and happy designing!